people who met the very first time in life, showing trust, doing intuition work, doing constellation work, which means explaining emotions bodily sensations. It was fascinating, and the outcomes is just like mind-blowing, because within a short period of time we could solve complex business problems of the people. Wojtek, how was the experience today for you?
Very energizing. I came quite exhausted from the trip, and I totally forgot that I was tired. It was really amazing. Thank you very much for the invitation. Thank you very much for meeting a lot of the interesting people and getting new experience.
It was a very enjoyable experience. It was very interesting to meet other people from other industries, hear about their problems, and actually feel their challenges in these sessions.
For me, it was an exceptional experience. I could recommend it to everyone.
What's your biggest takeaway concerning the methodology of Constellation?
First of all, that you get the answer for the real question. You get a very nice overview from the different industry, and you can check over the time if the answers provided will just lead you to the proper direction.
My takeaway is that it's very systematic. In that sense, it is very objective. And one could see that from the reactions of the people that these constellations were made for. They were actually surprised by the usability of the results of the constellations.
I'm feeling completely secured and very positive and loaded with energy to continue.
I think that the fact that you can detach the problem from the problem owner, allocate the problem to the participants, and let the intuitive behaviors and energies flow, and then you will have quite powerful solutions to that problem, and that's an absolute discovery for me. Me personally, I think trust intuition. Let's say also try to feel the emotions that you can apply to the leadership and the business life.
For me, you are two pioneers of the intuition science, something that is underestimated in complex business decisions, and I think you prove the usability of that topic.
And what else would you like to tell us?
Keep on going. That was a nice experience, and I think that you need to be spreading this kind of the approach, to the world.
Keep on going.
Keep on going.
From a methodological point of view, when you talk about systemic constellation, it's one methodology. By the end, it's many different approaches depending on the situation of the case giver. And there's so many different formats which are working, and it's so important to clarify the question. And often people have a certain question which is, let's say, scratching the surface, and it's very important to deep dive into the real question, and whatever question you have, we can solve it. I believe that the way we should lead, and we are going to lead companies in future, creating a safe environment, a safe space, looking into the future with real company foresight to educate ourselves, will give us the possibility to take decision confidently today. And confident decisions today are the prerequisite for having a good life. And it's in my bottom of my heart to distribute this methodology into the industry and to spread the word. And I'm happy to invite everybody who's interested in finding new ways of doing, because with the old ways of doing, it led us to the situation where we are today. And this is what I want to say. We spread the word. Anybody who's interested in solving a complex problem with a completely new methodology and creating awareness of different business areas and businesses is warmly welcome to join here, Lido di Venezia, Hotel Excelsior, Sala Stucchi.